Intelligence officials told Trump about the unverified report last week. Today, Trump acknowledged for the first time Russia was responsible for the hacking of Democratic emails.
Please say a category like phone or a command like points of interest, followed by a brand name.
Phone.
Phone. There is no phone connected. Would you like to connect a phone now? Canceling voice recognition.
I'm Nick Roman with the stories we're covering at 3:32. A heads up now for what you're going to see tomorrow. The last in a series of storms that have been rolling over Southern California arrives overnight. This one will bring us rain in the LA Basin, Orange County, and the Inland Empire, but also a lot of snow in the local mountains. National Weather Service will put a winter weather advisory into effect tomorrow morning at 6 for the LA County and Ventura County mountains. And there's a winter storm warning tomorrow at 6 for the San Bernardino Mountains. There's a chance that you'll see
Agora música brutal. Fuck you. Agora
Thank you for calling. Are you or someone in your household 50 years or older? Press 1 for yes, 2 for no. Música brutal.
You get to see Asian characters that are powerful, reliable. I feel like there's not enough representation of Asian superheroes.
Incredible.
Me as Korean really want to see if I have what it takes to achieve this superhero look.
I think I'm ready. Super buff.
Hi, I'm